Hi traders, welcome to StockShare YouTube channel. Today we are discussing few stocks that may give either breakout or breakdown from important stocks in the coming sessions. So let's start our analysis. The first stock in our radar is Bsoft, that is Birlasoft. It's an IT firm that is providing services in the field of manufacturing, banking, finance service, etc. etc. In the screen, you are seeing the one-day chart of Birlasoft. While observing the chart, you can see that the stock was getting support from the region of 380-385 multiple times. At the same time, the stock was getting resistance or rejection from the region of 445 to 455 region. Hence, the stock was trading in this channel for almost 160 trading session. That is almost 8 months. In the last 2 trading sessions, the stock produced a breakout from that zone along with good volume. Hence, you can plan for buying the stock in the coming trading session if the bullishness continues.
The second stock that we are tracking is M&M, that is Mahindra & Mahindra. It's an Indian automobile company. In the screen, you can see the weekly chart of M&M. In the chart, you can see that the stock was getting a resistance or a rejection from the zone of 960-970 and it was falling like anything. Around 260 region, stock took the support and from there we can see a trend reversal. From 260 region, it again rallied to 960-970 region. In 960-970 region, it undergone a profit booking and it went till 750 region. From there, it rallied further to 960 region. Currently, the stock is at an important hurdle zone. So, if you are getting a breakout from this zone, then we can plan for a long trade. So, I am repeating once again, if you are getting a breakout, then we can consider it as a buying opportunity. The third stock that is in our watch list is Maruti Suzuki. It's also a company belongs to auto sector. We are analyzing the weekly chart of Maruti. In the chart, you can see that stock was getting a breakdown from the region of 8100. After that breakdown, the stock was falling like anything. That means it was in a downtrend and it fell almost to 4000 region. Around 4000 region, stock took the support and from that point, stock was just like in an upward journey, that is in uptrend. Around the region of 8100, the stock was faced a resistance again. From that, you can see another sell-off. After almost 308 trading days, the stock reached again to the level of 8100. And currently, stock is at an important hurdle zone. Now we are analyzing the same stock in a lower time frame, that is 1-day chart. In the 1-day chart, you can see that in the last few trading sessions, the stock was traded with a good volume. So a breakout from this zone, then we can consider it as a buying opportunity. So I am repeating once again, breakout from this zone, then we can consider it as a buying opportunity. These are the 3 stocks that's in my buying radar for the coming days. Now we can discuss few stocks that's in my selling radar for the coming days. The first stock that is in our selling radar is JSW Steel. It's a stock that belongs to metal sector. In the screen, you can see the daily chart of JSW Steel. While observing the chart, you can see that the stock was getting support from the region of 630 to 650. At the same time, the stock was getting a resistance or rejection from the zone of 760, 770, and the stock was in this channel for almost 211 trading session, that is almost 8 to 10 months. Currently, stock is at an important support zone which was tested multiple times. If we are getting a breakdown, that is a one-day candle closing below this 630 zone, then we can plan for a shorting opportunity in the stock. I am repeating once again, if we get a breakdown from this stock, from this zone, then we can plan for a shorting opportunity either in positional basis or in intraday basis. And the final stock that we are tracking is Crompton Greaves. It is a company that engaged in designing and manufacturing of power generation and transmission devices. In the screen, you are seeing the daily chart of Crompton Greaves. While observing the chart, you can see that the stock was facing a resistance around the region of 450, and after a couple of attempts, it gave a breakout from that zone. After the breakout, it went till 500. From there, sell-off took place, and it reached again to 450. And stock was just trading between 450 to 500 multiple times, and it is forming a price action pattern called triple top. This triple top pattern is a bearish indication. So if any candle closing below 440 in a daily basis, then we can plan for short trades in the stock. So I am repeating, if we are getting a breakdown from the zone of 440, then we can plan for a shorting trades either in positional basis or in intraday basis. So these are the 5 stocks that we are adding to our watch list and tracking for the coming days. You can also add these stocks into your watch list. I hope this video is beneficial for you and you got some value. If you find it valuable, then please like and share with your friends. Once again, thanks for watching and wishing you a good trading week ahead. Thank you.